Hello everyone, in today's video we will be talking about the probability current. So we are deriving the expression for probability current for the plane wave using the equation of continuity. So we are given here the plane wave expression. So we are given with this plane wave. So we have to find out the probability current expression. So starting with time dependent Schrodinger equation for this plane wave. So Schrodinger equation can be written as iota h cross del psi xt del t is equal to minus h cross by 2m del square psi xt plus the potential operator xt psi xt. This is the equation number 1. Similarly, we have to write the complex conjugate of the above equation of equation number 1. So this iota becomes minus iota h cross del. So this the conjugate of the plane wave becomes psi star del square. So psi becomes psi star xt plus v xt. So here v is not imaginary, so its complex conjugate remains the same. So psi star xt. Here psi star is exponential minus iota kx minus omega t. This is our psi star. So this is our giving it a number 2 equation. So we first have to multiply equation number 1 by psi star xt and similarly equation number 2 by psi xt. So multiplying this, we get iota h cross psi star del psi xt by del t is equal to minus h cross. So we are doing for the equation number 1. So it's psi star del square psi and similarly v star psi star v star psi. So this is our equation number 3rd, and similarly for the second. So it's psi and this is psi star del t by 2m, then psi, this del square psi star plus psi v psi star. So this is our equation number 4. We have to subtract 3 minus 4. Iota h cross psi star del psi by del t. This minus iota h cross psi del psi star by del t is equal to minus by 2m psi star del square psi plus psi star v operator psi. It will be plus then h square 2m psi del square psi star, then it is minus psi v psi star. So this will cancel out each other. So our expression comes out to be iota h cross psi star del psi by del t plus psi del star by del t and on the right hand side this becomes minus h cross squared by 2m psi star del square psi minus psi del square psi. So we know the probability density rho is equal to psi star into psi. So if we find out the time derivative of psi star psi, this comes out to be psi star del psi by del t plus psi del psi star by del t. So we can write this in place of this in equation number 5, replacing this whole with this thing. So this equation number 6, and similarly we know, so del dot psi star del psi minus psi del psi star, if we solve it, so our expression comes out to be del star del psi minus del psi del star plus psi star del square psi minus psi del square psi star. So this will cancel out this. So we can write this as psi star del square psi minus psi del square psi star. So this is our equation number 7. So we have to like replace this term with equation number 7 with this term, divergence of this whole term and this. So basically we are using 6 and 7 in 5. So our expression becomes, first write this thing. This is equation number 5. This is psi star del square psi. This is minus psi del square psi star. So this is our equation number 5. So we can write this whole as del by del t psi star psi, and this can be written in terms of divergence of psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So simplifying this, we can write this as rho. Probability density, we can write this psi star into psi as rho, and this can be written as iota h cross. This minus 1 can be written as iota square h cross by 2m, and then del dot psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So we can cancel out the powers of iota and h. So we are having this expression, this psi star del psi by psi del psi star. So our continuity equation can be written as del rho by del t is equal to minus del dot j, where j is the current density. So this is the continuity equation, and now our expression is somewhat like this: del rho by del t iota h cross by 2m del dot psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So we can take this constant term inside this brackets. So our del rho by del d becomes del dot iota h cross by 2m psi star del psi minus psi del psi star. So we can take out the minus sign. So our expression becomes psi del psi star if you take out the minus sign out. So our expression comes out to be like this. So if we compare this expression with equation of continuity, we can find that our j will be, the expression for j will be iota h cross 2m psi into psi star minus psi star del psi. This is our expression for current density. So this is the expression for the probability current density. So this is it for the today. If you have any doubt related to this derivation and any steps, you can ask me in the comment box. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.